Hello, my friends. Phil Pravda here, Suit Cafe, suitcafe.com. Welcome to another unboxing of shoes right here. And why are these shoes special than any other shoes? Well, because these are my personal shoes that I made for myself, custom for everyday use in the summer, and I'm going to show them to you right now. Thanks everybody for coming back. Phil Pravda here, and my shoes. Look, I wear shoes too, like everybody else, and sometimes you need a new pair of shoes. I had some good shoes for winter. Those were the brown suedes that I showed on a prior video here. These are shoes that I'm going to wear for summer and for fall. And I needed something in the brownish cognac sort of area, something classic like wingtip lace up. That's sort of my style for summertime to wear mostly with suits. The eye is getting better. Yes, the eye is getting better. Retina surgery on the eye. Remember the last video I wore the sunglasses, but the eye is healing. Thank you. So here we go. Unboxing of the shoes. Let's open this up and let's see what's going on here. First, of course, the smell test. Here we go. That brand new, that has like that oily burnishing smell because these shoes are hand burnished. So it's got that burnishing smell, that hand rub, like that shoe polishy kind of smell to them. I put a couple of other custom things on it, but let's get these out of the bag so you can see the color. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Wow. How do you like that? Wow. Brandy cognac in the soft luxe leather with burnishing all around the seams. Give you a close-up of the front there. There's your close-up. Brown interior, brown laces. Side view of the shoe right there. I'm size 12, but I'm going to explain something that I did with these shoes a little differently in terms of the sizing because, these are custom, so you can play around with the sizing a little bit. So there you have the side and the back right there with more burnishing. And, of course, the medallion on the toe, my favorite part. Is the toe with that little medallion over there. And the bottoms, I did a half rubber bottom. You can see right there, half rubber bottom with the forest green painted leather on the bottom of the shoe. So there you go, the Suit Cafe logo, handmade in Spain, Goodyear welted, for those of you who know shoes. Goodyear welting, hand sewn with a layer of cork inside the sole here. What the cork does is it helps the shoe mold to your foot. They're easy to have the soles replaced. And it also allows for some water repellency. Water doesn't soak through the shoe. Of course, I have the rubber piece on here, but water doesn't soak through the shoe if you're walking on wet, rainy surfaces. But the other thing that I did to these shoes were I made them 9 millimeters wider. So the last right here is 9 millimeters wider. And why is that good, especially sometimes in a summer shoe? Well, if you do a lot of walking, especially in the summer when your feet going to get hot, there's going to be perspiration in the leather, your feet tend to swell. So you might need a little extra room just on the edge right over here. So that's what I did. Added that 9 millimeter, and I think that's going to be perfect for me. I mean, really, size 12. I usually wear a D. This might come out to like an E or a double E with the extra 9 millimeters, but that's I think that's going to be really good for summer walking around the city, to be really extra comfortable on those days when you really got to walk around. And maybe it's going to be 90 or 85, or maybe a heat wave coming in New York in August. Who knows? Any of those things can happen. But there you go, the burnishing. And the burnishing, this is extra burnishing, by the way. We do 2 types of burnishing, standard and extra. This is extra, so you have even darker hand rubbing around all of these seams here and around the ankle and around the top. I'll show you the other shoe also, since these are mine. I usually don't take both shoes out, but just for argument's sake, I'll take out this one to give you the view of the left shoe. And these are leather laces, by the way, so you have the round leather lace. So there you go, the left side, right there. Top view, side view, the other side view, and the back view. So there you have it. And of course, again, rubber and the forest green on the bottom. So my new custom shoes, my personal ones right there that I will be wearing and breaking in very shortly, probably today. So thanks again for watching. A lot of new videos coming up on the custom clothing. I know you want to see those videos. A lot of clothing is here. A lot of clothing coming in today, actually. And we're going to make videos of every piece so you can see all these things, how they come out when we make the clothing, not just shoes, because we're really concentrating on the shoe unboxings. So thanks for watching. Hit that notification bell. Please subscribe. Eye is getting better. Shoes smell great and look great. And see you all again when I'm back at it.